Hi everybody, this is Gary Robbins reporting from Torrey Pines. Well, we've been telling you for a couple of weeks that an asteroid was going to come close to Earth today, and it is, but there's a lot of excitement because just before it, a meteorite has hit Russia. A lot of people are saying, what is the difference between an asteroid and a meteorite, and are these two events related? The events are not related, but there are some similarities. An asteroid is simply a rocky, inactive body that travels through space. It comes from the asteroid belt out between Mars and Jupiter. Now, sometimes we also get smaller particles or smaller rocks that come into our atmosphere or approach our atmosphere. These pieces either come from an asteroid or from a comet. At that point, they're called a meteoroid. Now, if they come into the atmosphere, they become a meteor. You see that flash that is so well known. And if they make it all the way to the ground or get near the ground, they're called a meteorite. That's what happened in the Ural Mountains of Russia. A particle that was about the size of a school bus, maybe even larger, came through and made it all the way to the ground. It created a blast wave, and about 700 to 800 people have been injured in Russia. This is reminiscent of what happened in 1908 when a similar object came through and exploded and wiped out 80 million trees over an 830 square mile area in Russia. So it's kind of ironic, and it's very ironic that it happens just before the asteroid. So there's your difference. And then, of course, lastly, there are also comets. Comets are rocky bodies too. They're made of rock, metal, ice, and dirt. But they're different. They're active, or can be active. You know, they have that really distinct coma that you see. Gases can vaporize and come off, and you can see them very distinctly in the sky from a very long distance away. With this meteor that hit the Earth today, or came through the atmosphere, no one literally saw it coming. This is Gary Robbins reporting from Torrey Pines.